What's up, traders? Hope you're all doing well and I hope you're all having an awesome day. So a very quick and early update here on net gas, gold and crude oil, starting with net gas. So what do we have here? So as you can see, if you have captured this move as mentioned in my last two videos, then you have made some money right here. As you can see, the target exceeded over 2 ATR targets. If you follow me from a couple of months or a year, you know I take my targets according to the ATR. ATR keeps you with the volatility of the market. But if you have not exited your trade right here, then that is really bad, and that is what we call a greed. So always take your profit once your target is hit, or manage your position by moving your stop loss to break even so that you can come out in a break even to avoid any losses. So let me quickly show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand the entries and what to expect next. Looking at this 382 candle formed after the hitting of my termination zone, so I'm still positive for net gas and it can still push up. So the very aggressive way to enter is right after the hit of my termination zone, which has happened right here, and the less aggressive way to enter is right after the break of the neckline. So on 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we do have a break of the neckline with this green candle. Looking at that, I'm still expecting a push up out of net gas, and nice one. So as per my last video, we do have a break of this neckline. If you would have entered in a less aggressive way, that was a break of neckline and that was enough to hit your target as well, using ATR for your targets. Now at this point, what to expect next? So looking at that, the price is still in my termination zone, so this is still a bullish area. I'm not selling at this point, but I'm also looking at one more factor. If the price wants to create a double bottom pattern, then in that case just move your termination zone something like this, which is 3.476 goes up to 3.542. If price continues to push down and come back in this termination zone and create a bullish engulfer or a pin bar, that will be another very strong buy signal, and with that we will enter over buy trade. Use 1 to 2 ATR for your targets. Keep your stop loss below this wick and target wherever you want to take it. So that is what you need to look at for today. If we have that move, we will enter long trade, but if price dramatically falls, breaks and close below this low, then we have a very likely chance that price will continue down. Keep an eye here. The wick can go below, but the candle cannot close below this rejection area, so we can expect a move that we can call a double bottom pattern. Let's check gold. Nice one. So if you followed me yesterday, as I've said that we can expect a retest of this zone. The price still did not make it to the 50% retracement, but it did retested the zone right here, which was the previous level of resistance. Now turns at this point. I'm expecting price to still push up at this point around $9 from this retest candle, and the $9 is around till 1883, from where we can exit our trades and look for the further pullbacks and continue to take longs until the price is completely broken below this zone. So I'm not selling at this point. Gold is still bullish, only expecting long trades with conditions. Let's check crude oil. So crude oil is just moving funny, so I'm not expecting any sort of entries at this point. Like I said yesterday, wait for another candle to close above my zone, possibly 2 candles. So we did not get that. As you can see, the price closed down back in this zone. That is why I always want to see a confirmation like 2 bullish candle closed above my zone. That has not happened at this point. Price is below 50 EMA, and I just want to wait for a breakout either above this high or breakout either below this low to see the trend and to enter a possible long or short trade. So price is still ranging in between this zone. Wait for the price to break out. Once that happens, we will enter long or short trade. Then we will have a confirmation of a trend upside or downside. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusion, always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.